Drink bay leaf tea every day and you will be amazed by the results. Bay leaves are a very popular spice in cooking, but as a tea they have a very special effect that many people are unaware of. A cup of bay leaf tea a day can be very beneficial for the body. Here is an interesting summary of what happens when you drink this aromatic beverage every day. First, it reduces inflammation in the body. Bay leaves contain essential oils and antioxidants that have an anti-inflammatory effect. People who drink bay leaf tea regularly can slow down inflammatory processes in the body. This can provide noticeable relief, especially in chronic conditions such as arthritis or rheumatic diseases. Second, it stimulates digestion. Bay leaf tea aids digestion by stimulating the production of digestive juices and reducing gas. People who often suffer from abdominal bloating or constipation may find natural relief. A single cup after meals can help kickstart the digestive system. Third, strengthens the immune system. The essential oils and flavonoids in bay leaves have antibacterial and antiviral properties. They can support the immune system and make the body more resistant to infections. Bay leaf tea is a real tip, especially during the cold season. Fourth, blood sugar levels may decrease. Studies have shown that bay leaves can help regulate blood sugar levels. This is especially interesting for people with type 2 diabetes or insulin resistance. The secondary plant compounds in the tea can improve insulin sensitivity and help reduce fluctuations in blood sugar levels. Fifth, the body is gradually detoxified. Bay leaf tea has a mild diuretic effect. It helps eliminate excess water and toxins through the kidneys. This can reduce the burden on the kidneys and speed up metabolism. People who often feel tired or lethargic will benefit twice over. Sixth, breath becomes fresher. The essential oils in bay leaves have an antibacterial effect in the mouth and can help reduce bad breath. A small side effect that can be seen and smelled. Drinking bay leaf tea regularly can also freshen your breath. Seventh, it can balance blood pressure. Bay leaves contain certain plant compounds that have a vasodilatory effect and can therefore help regulate blood pressure. People with slightly elevated blood pressure may find slight relief here. However, those who are already taking medication should consult their doctor first. Drinking bay leaf tea every day is much more than just a delicious drink. It can be a valuable support for health and well-being. Want to know which oil can make you look 10 years younger? Then don't miss the video we've linked to here.